What's going on, guys? I'm going to review the four. What's going on, guys? I'm going to review the four gretsch guitars I'm going to be selling for my website from this auction I got. I've got the four lined up here. All these have decent fretboards. I've got them lettered A, B, C, and D. You can see the center line as it's been marked. This is D. D has a slight coloration. I don't know if that's a stain or what that is, but it's a 3-ply top. Nice maple block running through on the back side and on the front. The binding is loose here. The neck pocket needs a little bit of filler on this side. Neck has a little bit of flame in it here. There is some filler right there. All the binding is intact on the sides. It's not loose. A little bit of a gap right here. Sorry, it's too bright in here. The binding shrank slightly and the body shrank slightly. No cracks on this one that I can tell. You may need a little bit of filler where the binding is here. Guitar sounds good, no rattles. Definitely need some sanding cleanup here. And you'll need some scraping work a little bit right here. They got a little bit too aggressive. Fretboard looks really good. No bows or anything on it. I think you're good to go with this one. Essentially with just some sanding and some filler. So that's D. $600. Alright, this is B. B has the same issue on the back side here. A little bit of filler is going to be used. A little bit on the binding on the side. Neck pocket is in better condition. Still needs a little bit of sanding. Nice flame maple on this side, but a mineral streak. Really nice flame maple up here, actually. This feels like it's been sanded to a pretty high grit. It's weird. There's a... I don't know what that is. The center block actually looks like it's made out of walnut or something. No binding issues on the F-holes or around the top. A little bit of a gap on the neck right here. You're going to need some filler going down. It's not loose, but it was just glued a little bit high. Still needs some sanding slightly here and there. There's a little bit of a scrape right there you'll have to sand out. Fretboard looks good. No issues there, so that's B. This is C. Binding is missing on the top here for C. This is loose. A little gunk on the top here of the nut. Fretboard is nice. Some dirt on the side here. I'm just brushing it off on me. Some stains. Not really 100% sure what that is. You still need to put a little bit of filler on the body. They did that here on the bottom side. The binding looks good. Binding looks good on the top. Again, it's got that same dark strip, I think is walnut, like on the other one. A little bit of filler at the neck pocket here and on this side, on the back side. Neck is nice, no issues that I'm seeing on the fretboard. Binding looks right. There's a little bit of filler right here, but nothing you can't tackle. And just the binding on top. The logo is good. It just needs some sanding. That's just dust. Alright, so that was C. Where's A? And here's A. Again, a little bit of separation here. You need some filler. Couple stains here on the body. Dude, I'm filming. Please stop. She's with Mora. There is a little bit of a chip out here on the back side. You'll need some filler. Just dirty. You'll have to scrape the binding up here. Fretboard actually looks really nice. This is probably the nicest fretboard out of all of them on A. So that is the 4 guitars, guys. We will put these up on my website. You can take a look at all of them.